Hey guys, what's up? It's Kaya here, and today I'm going to be doing a clothing haul for you guys, especially for the springtime because it is April. So I recently went to Arizona on a vacation, and of course I did some shopping there because there are plenty of outlets and there are just so many good stores there. Today I'm going to be showing you clothing pieces from like shirts to jackets to jeans, and yeah, let's get into it. So to start off, I have a pair of jeans which are really in right now. They are these black jeans with floral print on them, beautifully crafted, handmade, flower print material, and then on the other one it's kind of like down the calf, as you can tell, and then it's also on one of the back pockets. So what I like about these pants is that they are super stretchy. They're kind of like jegging material, but I love how they're black, which just makes them like super extra, and they add like a pop to every outfit. And these guys are by the brand Sandpiper, and they're high-rise jeans. So next up I have this tank top, which is like the cutest thing ever. It's by Pink Rose. So it's got like that beautiful velvety material. Like, you guys know those like shorts that everybody gets, like pajama shorts or whatever, that are made of this material. So yeah, super in. And then it has like lace to like wrap the very top and like create a nice little outline. This is super soft, super flowy, and at the back it's like really simple. So yeah, this is a steal of a deal. The next top that I got is an off-the-shoulder shirt, and I really like off-the-shoulder tops for my body type for some reason. I don't know why, but I feel like they're pretty flattering. It's by Lily White. This is what it looks like. It's got like these little birdies on it. Super subtle. I don't really know how to explain this shirt. It's kind of self-explanatory, but it has like kind of two layers, if you guys can tell. Like the first one here, it like drops down into like a triangle shape at the bottom, which makes it like really flattering, and the sleeves are cut like this at the bottom. I don't know what that style is called. Super easy to style, literally pair it with a pair of black jeans and you're good to go. Okay, and probably like my favorite thing that I bought is this jacket from Zara, and I've been wanting one of these for years and years, and I haven't been able to find one, and then I found this one on sale. It is a suede light pink jacket. It's kind of like a biker jacket, but like more chic, if you know what I mean. Again, like I can't really hold it up, like you can barely see me. It's like kind of big, but yeah, this is super cute, perfect for the springtime. The color is just great. It has really nice detailing. It's like zippers everywhere, and at the bottom it has like a belt so that you can adjust it and you can zip it up. I usually wear it like unzipped with like a tank, but yeah, this material is super soft. It's really comfortable, and again, something like really effortless style, and you can put it on and then it makes you look so good. So that's why I love it. The next thing that I got is another off-the-shoulder top. Can you tell I like them? Probably. It's by Style Envy, and what got me about this shirt is definitely the pattern. You guys know this is just so cute. Like, you literally look at this and you're like, brunch Saturday 2 o'clock, like, yeah. It reminds me of like a farmer style shirt, but it's also like classy at the same time. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's a little bit cropped, but I love the cinching at the top. It literally makes you look so nice and put together. So yeah, this is definitely a staple. So then I also purchased a cardigan. I kind of went crazy and I got this huge gray fluffy cardigan, and this is by the brand Jace, like Jaase, if you guys can read that. I'm not really sure. Just look at this. It's literally like a blanket to go. This is great for lounging, for going out, even for adding spice to an outfit. I don't know what it's made of, but it's really like stretchy, but it's also like fuzzy and staticky. But yeah, it's pretty long. This is the top, and then the bottom's like all the way down there, so it probably would go down like mid-thigh for me. And it also has like these huge pockets on both sides for convenience. Literally, I just want to like snuggle up in this right now. It's honestly like the greatest thing I've ever encountered in my life. I don't know why I'm so low energy today. I just like can't finish my sentences and I am like dying. I'm at 11 minutes. Oh god. Okay, so the last thing that I want to show you guys is by the brand Sweet Wanderer, and this is something that I've never bought before. It's a beige. Is this the color beige? Brown beige trench coat thing, but it's not really a trench coat because it's a very like thin material. It's kind of like a wrap jacket. It's good for like light weather. This is like way easier to see when it's tried on. Really nice detailing, and it goes probably like to the knee. This is like one of the longer cardigan thingies that I bought. I love this and I'm gonna be making a lot of use out of it. Sorry if you guys like saw like the pile of clothes the whole video. This kind of happened. It was easy for me to grab. Sorry. But yeah, that is all for my haul today. If you did like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you guys are updated whenever I post a new video. And of course, hit the like button if you liked anything that I hauled in this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.